Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam black screen error. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your Steam application on your device. Once it is opened, you need to log into your account. Tap on the Steam icon in the top left corner of your screen, and from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now go to the Security section that is between Family and Notifications, and find the option of Don't Save Account Credentials on this computer. Simply toggle this option on and activate it. Next, go to the Interference section that is between Notifications and Store. Find Client Beta. Tap on this drop-down menu and choose Steam Beta Update. Then tap on Restart Now, or sometimes it may close automatically as well. If not, open Task Manager and go to the Details tab. Find Steam and end the task. For that, right-click on it and then tap on End Task option, and you'll be done. When you reopen Steam, it will update to the beta version you selected, which will likely solve the problem. So that's how you fix it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.